What's up, guys? Welcome to the podcast. Kita nyo naman yung guest natin, Boss Jacob Lau. Thank you so much for
So,
your time, bro. And of course, we have Mario, our co-host. And
What's up? What's
Jacob,
up?
hey
sobrang
Mario.
hirap. It's been a while. It's been a while. It's been a year and a half since we last
Yeah,
had you here. And we always appreciate the time having a guest like you. A friend of the pod, of course, definitely.
Oh yeah. And honestly, last time you were here, some news,
It was
a lot of things came
wala na
out. A
ako,
lot of things
wala
came
na
out
ako,
the last time you were here, man.
surprise ngayon.
Yeah. There we go. Cole, you can start if you want.
Yeah, and Jacob, we're gonna make the most out of your time. Ano
Yeah,
magpapahinga ngayon. And alam mo naman na this has always been my question. And I want to first start with, let's first talk about the Dubai tournament. Unfortunate what
Yeah.
how things happened. So, eto gusto ko tanong ito as a friend lagi. So, how fast did you get to the decision that SJ was going to boycott the bronze medal game? Was it during the game na parang, pucha, yung magano dito, bronze medal game? Or you took some time, you consulted the coaching. How did that go?
honestly, nag-usap, we coaches talk, and then we
Okay.
felt like we didn't get the respect we deserved. Kasi we can live by yung matatalo kami ng 20,
Mhm.
na parang di kami lumaban, na the game was not in the referee's hands.
Yeah.
Pero to start the game, parang start pa lang, inuubos na kami sa fouls eh. Parang how are we supposed to play our game? You're really gonna throw us off our rhythm eh.
Yeah. For sure.
People forget na yung team naman namin, di naman siya yung parang 1 year kami nagpa-practice.
Mhm. Yeah.
Our
Honestly,
teams,
yeah.
diba, parang 2 weeks lang naman yung binuo namin yung team, 2 weeks before the Dubai Cup.
Yeah.
Because we can't get the players we want kasi they have their mother teams eh. We have to ask permission pa. We have to go through a lot. We have to talk to a lot of agents, a lot of clearance. So it takes time for you to build a team in that short amount of time.
Yeah.
Nakakalimutan ng mga tao na parang we can't be as cohesive as what we want to be because we lack prep time eh. We don't have that. Yun yung naging ano namin eh. Pero to start with, yung sa game, wala bro. As in, alam naman namin yun. I mean, we've been playing Dubai for 3 years already. We know how they call things there.
Yeah.
And like, this year, it was just really, really bad. Like, alam mo na to start with, parang, ang basura naman nung
Right.
tawag.
Yeah.
A lot of questionable calls, a lot of non-calls. And not saying na parang physicality is bad, but minsan yung physicality nila parang over eh, excessive.
Mhm.
And sa PBA, some of those calls, flagrant na, unspo, probably get you thrown out, pero dun parang chop ka sa ulo, goods pa
Oh,
rin eh.
So
regular
was it
foul.
throughout? Was it throughout the whole tournament, or was it just specifically
Well,
yung last
of
game na
course, I
yun?
mean, to start with, as in first game pa lang, there's a lot of questionable calls na.
Mm.
So, parang expect na rin naman namin yun going through the following games na the calls are not gonna change. Pero it's not, we never expected it to be that bad na parang kulang na lang, no blood, no foul. Parang ganun.
Yeah, exactly. So, genuine question. So, was the decision made right after they didn't call the foul on Renz? Kasi aminin natin o hindi, for all of
Yeah,
us, I think for most Filipinos, it was a genuine foul.
yeah, it
Biased
was.
or not, diba?
Yeah.
He ran into the guy. So,
Even the
was the
guy,
decision
even the
made?
guy who challenged, the guy who
Yeah,
Sa
challenged,
likod yun, sa
gumanon
ulo.
siya,
the
parang
likod.
sabi ko, oh
Exactly.
no, shit. Kasi siya,
Gumano yung ulo.
parang alam niya na eh, kung basketball player ka, alam mo naman yung kung matatamaan mo. Parang,
Mhm.
pati ko, parang, shit,
Yeah.
tatamaan ko.
So,
Yun
dun
yung
pa lang,
reaction niya eh.
you guys already thought na, okay, wag na tayo maglaro sa Battle for Third.
Not
Or,
really. Not
okay.
really. I think, parang pinag-isipan talaga namin. Kasi ayaw namin, syempre inisip rin namin yung mga Filipino fans na nandun eh.
Mhm. Of course, yeah.
Parang, for us, the reason why we built it is we want to bring the Filipino people community together there. Parang,
Yeah.
some of them, sobrang saya nila pag nakakanood silang basketball, bro. As in, iba yung happiness na makikita mo sa mga mukha nila. Na parang, oh, I get to see Dave, I get to see Ren sa bando. Parang to them, bro, ano sila eh, parang heroes nila. Parang,
Yeah.
minsan lang sila makakita ng basketball doon na Filipino talaga nila.
Filipino,
Ano
yeah.
nila, di ba? Filipino
Yeah.
people.
So, okay, you brought up some players, so I want to dive into that. How was building that roster, especially considering that some of these players, admittedly, men, hinahanap sila eh.
Ito, Jacob, yung kay Mikey talaga was the most random curveball. Tapos sabi ko, last year, di namin makuha yan. Tapos ngayon, biglang pwede. So, that's like, I gotta ask Jacob this.
So, kasi yung kay Mikey, we
Ah,
had a hard time with him last year kasi he was having conflicts with talk and text pa.
okay.
At least ngayon,
I
parang
see.
with the help of si Brody,
Shout out, Coach
natulungan
Brody. Phenom.
ako ni Brody na to get to Mikey. Tapos Coach Charles was there all along. Parang Coach Charles was like, bro, you're not doing anything naman. Laro ka dito. Kasi gusto niya na mag-champion. Parang kinakulat sa si Coach Charles eh. Parang
Yeah.
he want last championship niya nung Jones Cup pa. So, parang
Mm.
sabi niya, laro ka dito. We wanna come play. Kinausap ko rin. Parang sabi ko, tara, minsan lang naman eh. Parang you'll bring joy to the Filipino people.
Yeah.
Tapos, and a lot of PBA fans are looking for him na parang, what happened to Mikey? Parang it's time to show them na parang, oh bro, you
Pakita.
still got it. You still
Yeah.
got it. Still a hooper.
Still a hooper. Still a
Oh,
very good hooper, man.
So,
So, how about Dave
sila
and
Dave
Renz?
and Renz.
Yeah.
Oh, si Dave, I told him na nung Jones Cup pa lang, sila ni Renz, kinausap ko na sila. Bro, Dubai wala nang back out. Kahit ano mangyari, Dubai, wala nang back
Yeah.
out. So, prior to that, naka-set na naman kami with Dave and Renz. We were set with Dave, Renz, and the 3 CSB boys. I think that was no question there. Kasi
Mhm.
yung 3 CSB boys, we want them to really get the full experience of being a pro player already.
Yeah. So, as when we talk about the roster, syempre kailangan natin din pag-usapan yung major pickup. Obviously, man. Like, we can't just let it go. Obviously, DeMarcus Cousins playing for SJ.
Yeah.
How did that happen?
Siya ba first option mo? Was he like, you gotta get Dika's first option?
My first pick was always Dwight.
Dwight.
Mm.
I think no brainer how he treated us. Eh.
Yeah,
Like
I
he
agree.
was
I saw
he
that.
was
I saw that. Man of the people.
very open to all the Filipino people. Parang he treated us like his own. Pero sadyang he was busy Dancing with the Stars. So
Oh, shit.
I don't know, man. I can't beat Dancing with the Stars with parang mas interesting naman siguro for him yung Dancing with the Stars. Pero last year, I was already talking to DeMarcus as well.
Mm.
We just didn't agree. Parang di kami nag-meet halfway sa price. Kasi he was still, bago pa lang siya, kakalabas niya pa lang ng NBA nung time na yun eh.
Yeah.
Parang, for me, out of reach.
Out
Pero,
of-
pero I was already talking with him nung time na yun. I just had to pick, was it Dwight or would it be Boogie?
Mhm.
Pero kasi, I have to remember, I have a budget. We're not earning much naman. I only have a set budget for imports.
Uh-huh.
So technically, I have to budget that into 3 imports na, I get high caliber players.
Mhm.
So, this year, Dwight wasn't available. So I got DeMarcus. Parang for me, in Dubai, and without a big Because yung mga Lebanese, mga Tunisian, bro, lahat sila parang 7'1", pati wings nila 6'11".
Lahaba eh.
Oo, bro.
Diba?
Kaya parang you need size. You really
Yeah.
need size. That's why I've always considered Ange. Not
Yeah.
just because he's my teammate or anything, but like, Pinoy eh. Sa, sa Dubai, you can only play 2 imports.
At the same
So,
time,
Ange,
sa
same
court.
time.
so Ange is counted as a local. He has a Filipino
Oh,
passport.
he is? Okay, I didn't know that.
Center.
Si Andre din, di ba?
Yeah.
Andre is considered a local.
Local ba si Andre?
Because
Oo,
ano yun,
local.
naturalized yan.
Naturalized
Yeah.
siya. Putik
Sila
na pala.
isabay sa
Okay.
import na I could put C-Mac and Cousins and then Ange and Blatch. I could do that, but I'm not that stupid. Pero,
Apat na yung sabay.
honest. Pero pwede ko gawin yun.
Yeah.
So as long as you have a Filipino passport, you're considered a local.
Local. I see.
You can only play 2 imports at a time.
Mhm.
So I had to pick who would be my other imports. But yun nga, kasi ngayon, I mean, Korea kasi having a bigger salary cap. So marami na naglilipat doon. Japan's also there. So we had a hard time getting
Oh, sorry.
Oh,
Not me.
no, I think that's Jacob. Parang na.
kasi wala nang
Ayun.
available eh. Yun. Yun nga, parang lahat sila busy eh, yung mga imports. Most of them have contracts already. And you can't compete with parang yung contract mo, 1 month lang. Like us, 1 month lang naman yung tournament. But
Yeah.
yung contract mo sa Korea is 9 months. So you'd rather take the 9 months for your security.
Yung sa security nga.
Yeah, for sure.
So it
So,
was a hard time. We had a hard time.
how about the idea of bringing back Chris McCullough? Honestly,
Out of
last
nowhere
minute.
din yun.
Last
great
minute din
timing.
yun.
Sobrang great timing ng podcast. 'Cause actually, Nico and I just released an episode on SMB imports. And there has to be a genuine question of, but never pa nakabalik si Chris McCullough sa PBA. What was the thought process in getting Chris to SJ? Yeah.
Okay. Kasi, to be fair, I was always a big fan of CMAC nung nasa SMB siya.
Yun
Yeah.
yung main reason, di ba?
Yun
Yung
talaga
main
yung main
reason.
reason ko. Parang sabi ko, galing talaga ning Makolo. But
Yeah.
nobody, after nung SMB stint niya, never na siya bumalik, never siya
Weird
na-consider.
nga eh.
I always put
Exactly.
it on my list, especially on that 6-9 conference. Bakit siya nandun sa list na yun? Pero, I had the chance to get him nung Jones. I already talked to him for Converge.
Okay. Okay.
So
Really?
he was supposed to go Converge. So parang we were negotiating back and forth. But then he had an offer sa Indonesia.
He chose
So
Indonesia?
Indonesia team niya was offering like 4 or 5 times what we were offering in Converge. So parang sabi ko,
Shit
no
talaga.
brainer CMAC as your friend. So take the deal. Take the deal, bro. You're not gonna get that money here in the Philippines. Sobrang
Yeah.
sunod. Tapos, they had a break now. So he had to ask permission sa team niya. Parang, I wanna go to Dubai. Then, nung nalaman namin ni Coach Charles, parang sabi namin, no brainer, let's just take him kasi we know what he's gonna give us eh.
Yeah.
Parang for us, it was an easy decision. Like, let's just take CMAC. No doubt. I mean, proven eh. Champion talaga eh.
Sobrang proven. Sobrang
Champion sa Jones Cup, champion sa SMB.
Tsaka
Dude,
admittedly,
20
for me, man, I genuinely think he was your best player throughout the
Yeah.
whole tournament.
He
Talking
was
about
consistent. He
2000
was
points.
consistent.
Yeah,
Yeah,
like he was very good. Speaking of sorry, I forgot how I was gonna word this question. Oh, here. So I don't know if I'm really allowed to ask this, or obviously it might be a little too early.
Pwede
to
naman
ask.
natin cut yan eh, bro. Alam mo naman, Zoom to
Nga
eh.
pala. Nga pala. Hindi pala nga tayo live, my bad.
Oh, safe tayo dito. Safe space to eh.
So, man, genuine question. Considering what just happened this year, with the refs issue and all that shit,
Yeah.
babalik pa ba kayo next year?
How's gonna?
Honestly, I don't know. We'll see. Kasi I think what we want to achieve here kasi, I mean, not just because we're sore losers, we don't want to play the third place game. Pero kasi we want them to see na parang, dapat equal tayo dito. Like, you may be this team, you may be this team, we may be Filipinos, pero treat us equally here. Kasi we're doing it for the sport eh. We're not doing it for, we're doing it for the fans. We want them to enjoy the game, good high-level competition. So, I don't know, if wala naman silang binigay sa amin na sanction or anything, wala naman napadala sa akin. So, maybe, we'll see. I mean, honestly,
Walang sanction, okay ah. Wala pala.
oh, bro,
I was gonna say,
solid.
I'm surprised walang sanction.
Oh,
Wala.
walang fine.
I don't know, baka wala pang umabot sa akin. Pero,
Tagal pa.
sana wala
Tagal
nang
pa.
umabot.
Baka pinapadala
Sana
pa
wala
lang,
nang
man.
dumating. Sana wala nang dumating. Kasi, syempre, Dubai is always something people watch out for now. Every
Exactly.
January,
Yeah,
parang,
Yeah.
Dubai Cup. Let's see if we're gonna win this time. So, di ba, parang we don't want to take that happiness away from the people as well. So, we'll see. I mean, as long as the offer's there, the invitation's there. Kasi, right now, napaganda pa, si Valientes is also there. Di ba?
Actually,
Two
yeah,
Filipinos.
Valiant is there.
Yeah.
Pero, we'll see. I mean, if the offer's there, maybe we'll take it. We'll see if we can build a better team. Kasi, yun nga, ang hirap ngayon kasi ang dami ng offers ng other countries. Tapos yung contracts nila, 2 years, 3 years, bro, you're kind of secured for 2, 3 years there with a good amount of salary. And you're not gonna do that for an invitation game for 20 days.
Yeah, for sure. It's
Yeah.
about the security, for sure.
Yeah. I mean, for these guys, ito yung living nila eh.
Exactly. Okay, I have no more questions regarding the Dubai. I don't know about Nico.
Yeah, I'm actually good sa Dubai. Ang actually tatanong ko nga lang is, magka-same hotel ba kayo ng Valiente? So, nag-interact ba kayo with them? Kasi, di ba? I mean,
Iba sila ng time eh. Like,
iba. Okay.
iba sila ng time. So like, there's some days na parang, magkikita siguro sila sa lobby. Pero most of the time, salungat yung oras nila eh. Kasi,
Saan nga?
and then the schedule's different. Then there, you have practice times kasi on a certain venue. So, baka they don't. Maybe they see each other sa mga breakfast, lunch, mga ganun. Pero, baka always, maybe.
Sakto. And now, I want to talk about Converge. And,
Wait lang. May isa ako.
yeah. May ano ka ba? May follow-up ka?
Random, I'm just curious as hell. May gusto ko bang player sa SGA na kinuha ng Zamboanga?
Wala naman.
Wala naman.
For me, I was set with my team prior pa. Parang we were already set. We didn't want to change anything. Kasi yung Renz, Dave, Ino at Sanchez, set na yun eh.
Yeah.
Parang, where are you gonna place other players? Kasi, like for me, I had my eyes set on some UAAP guys. Parang I had my mindset. So,
really?
Si Mai. Okay.
Korea. So, wala yun. I had,
Bakit mo yun?
yeah, I had Mike Phillips set, pero he wanted to take a break from basketball muna
Okay.
kasi bugbog siya ng UAP. So, I had those options eh. Pero, sadyang, I was already set nung time na parang, okay, this is what I have. I'll work with what I have. And then, I know I have Phil Ams na are available and coming already kasi we've been talking to them since Jones eh. Prior to Jones, prior to the Dubai Cup, after namin mag-Jones Cup, alam na namin ni Coach Charles sino lalagay namin sa Dubai. We had our eyes set already on Phil Ams that we wanted in that team. Like si Heading, we wanted Heading on this team, pero wala, nasa Converge.
Nasa Converge na eh.
I mean, perfect leeway. Let's talk about Converge, bro. Honestly, right now, a
We look
team
good.
who are literally, I think, maybe championship contenders this season pa lang, ha?
I think we agreed na championship contenders
Yeah.
ang Converge.
And I'll be
We
real.
agreed.
I'll be as honest as I possibly fucking can be. I did not expect it.
Na
No
ganito
offense.
kabilis yung ano
Yeah.
nila,
I
rebuild.
thought it would take a bit longer, dude. I thought it would take a bit longer for you guys to start competing. But I think yung additions ni Jordan, Balti, plus yung
Quality.
yeah. And yung sobrang laking improvement ni Justin and Stockton. Dude, did you expect it to go this fast?
Honestly, when I did it, funny story kasi yun eh. Kasi when we were prior to 2 years before, we were already drafting, di ba, players.
Yeah.
Simulate namin yun sa 2K, bro.
The best. Di ba mag-usapan natin na you really practice? Na parang
Simulate namin yun sa 2K na parang, okay, this is what our team's gonna look like now. Then, hindi mo naman makakalaban yung mga PBA teams eh. Kalaban mo sila LeBron James dun. Hindi ka talaga mananalo, bro.
So archetypes, yun yung inaano mo dun sa 2K. Itong ganitong archetype, player archetype.
Yeah. You just fix their parang settings. Di ba pwede mo naman ayusin yung settings?
Pwede nga.
May sliders ka.
Sliders.
Sliders.
Try mo lang siya kasi wala namang mawawala sa'yo, bro. Pero peak kasi. Pa-peak yung mga boys eh.
Yeah, honestly.
You would see. Like, they're not even in their prime age. People, Jordan's 27. Shawnee's 25. Alex 26, 27. Aranya's 25. Justin is just 26.
25 lang pala si Justin.
Technically,
Babata. So,
parang batang prime team. Parang kang may sabi mong 5 freshman rookies na gano'n na sobrang galing lang lahat.
Yeah.
Diba? Wala pa sila sa peak age nila eh. So,
wala pa nga sa prime.
So parang how fast the growth is, maybe maybe that's credits to the coaches also. Kasi they've been doing a really, really good job. I mean, ano talaga sila, tutok sila sa mga players. Pero how we're playing right now, I don't think we're too fresh. We're too fresh, kumbaga. Fresh legs kami. Na
I get it.
you
Pero
can play our guys 40 minutes and I bet they're not
Okay
they'll be
pa.
tired.
fine. They'll be fine as hell. And honestly, for the drafting of Converge is kind of what impresses me. Kasi if you actually look at your lineup, not to be rude to Kevin Rakal, pero talagang it's not a lot of veterans talaga. If
Yeah.
I'm correct, like it's Alex Cabagnot and Kevin Rakal.
Yun na yung mga vets eh.
Yun lang
Yeah,
yung bets.
and then the rest. Pero when you look at the type of player, for me, this is what I see. A lot of it are players who are genuinely smart. 'Di ba? Like yung IQ nila basketball-wise is very, very
Yeah.
sobrang
High
taas.
thinking
Sobra.
players.
Sobra. Kasi JL De Los Santos, right?
Yeah.
Not the tallest guy in the world, pero
Yeah.
matalino talaga maglaro. Alec, the improvement of Alec from where he was in FEU
Yeah.
to
Di
now.
ba?
Yeah.
Layo. But that
Sobrang
guy,
layo na.
sobrang sipag ni Alec.
Talaga ba? I really.
First one in the gym, doing
Mhm.
his shots, and then mag-extra pa sila. Kaya good thing yung sila Kabagi nandun,
Mhm.
sila K-Rax. Kasi like sila K-Rax, natututukan niya yung mga sila King, sila Jeyo, those guys,
Yeah.
Justin, Alec. Then Kabagi takes all the guards under his wing, bro.
Mhm.
Parang sinasabi niya sa mga players parang, masaya ka na dyan? Masaya ka? Are you contented
Pinupush
already?
niya talaga.
Talaga.
Kaya parang,
Good vibes, eh.
and nobody thought of getting him, ah. He was a free agent all along.
I thought he came from. I'm so sorry if I'm wrong. Did he come from Terra Firma or was he let go at that
He
time?
was let go by Terra Firma. Tapos nung
Ah,
time na yun, wala kaming point guard.
I remember. I do actually remember.
Oo, tapos parang sabi ko, who's the best available point guard? I was scrolling to, scroll ako sa Instagram. Tapos nakita ko si Kabagnot sa Mustangs.
Yeah,
Oo,
yeah.
naglaro siya i Taiwan. Yung
Sa
kasama niya
Taiwan.
sila Deguara ba yun?
Versus Gilas. Sabi ko, pwede pa to 43. Tapos ganito pa rin maglaro. Parang sabi ko, kinausap ko sila, Gov Delta. Parang sabi ko, Gov, subukan natin. Baka pwede pa.
Yeah.
Veteran naman eh. Sabi natin, he's probably not gonna get us San Miguel stats, but provide leadership, and that's
Pwede
what
na.
we don't have. We're too
Yeah,
young.
yeah, exactly. Pwede
Too
na.
young. So, yun, kaya those two guys, perfect fit talaga. Kasi nag-guide nila yung sa tamang direksyon yung mga bata eh.
Yeah.
Hindi sila mawawala sa landas. They're just there. Guide those guys. They're really good for us. Kahit sabihin mo, dalawa lang vets namin. Parang, I think we
What
don't
they
need
carry.
those two are enough already.
Yeah. You.
Yeah.
Masakita naman.
We have Willie Miller naman. We have
Yeah,
Danyay.
exactly.
How
Coach
many more?
Willie.
How many more?
Yeah, it's honestly it's actually kind of rare. I think that's why it's kind of shocking. Kasi medyo rare siya sa PBA na
Yeah.
medyo young yung team na magaling, admittedly. I mean, I think the
Ang
other team,
OKC. Parang
yeah,
sila yung OKC no, ng
exactly.
PBA.
The only other team who we can make an argument for in that aspect is I think Northport because obviously malakas
Ako,
din.
Rain or Shine. I think Rain or Shine's really good.
Yeah,
Oh
they're
yeah,
also young. They're also young.
they're
Rain or
also quite
Shine's
young.
good.
I'm
I
just
think,
hoping they get a bit healthier, man.
yeah.
Pero yung sinasabi namin ni Mario sa Rain or Shine, unlike sa Converge. Sa Converge kasi parang meron kang clear-cut stars.
Yeah.
Sa,
Yeah.
like when it's the last 10 seconds, alam mo kanino bibigay yung bola.
Alex.
Yung argument namin, kanino mo bibigay sa Ross? Last 10, sino? Di ba? Who's gonna take the last shot? I mean, Nokum's good. But who's
Yeah.
that guy? Like, who's
Yeah.
their Stockton? For me,
Hindi pa
wala.
na-establish
Wala
yung
pa.
style.
Bro, another question from me. Jordan Headings was somebody who's actually also been people have been looking for Jordan for a while, diba?
Yeah.
Aside from the question of paano mo biglang nakuha si Jordan Heading out of nowhere, did you really expect him to be this good for Converge? Kasi grabe talaga yung lalaro
Oh
niya.
yeah, bro. I was always a fan of Jordan. Ever since na pumunta siya sa practice once sa Ateneo, sabi ko, who's this guy? Tapos, after nun, nakita ko na lang siya sa Gilas. Sabi ko,
Hmm.
oh,
When they were in Serbia,
oh,
kasama sina George.
tas nung kinuha namin siya sa Dubai, kinuha namin siya sa Jones, parang sabi ko, any team that Jordan would play for, he'd be a game changer. See,
Yeah.
he can play both positions eh. He's
Yeah.
not a legit point guard, but he's a good passer. That's the thing. Tapos, pag ilagay mo siya sa two guard, sobrang bilis nung trigger niya eh. Na even if kahit sino mahaba, he can shoot over him.
Very good shooter, man.
You can play him in multiple positions. Kaya parang, for me, if you're a player that can play multiple positions and can defend multiple positions, wala bro, you're gonna be a good player all along. Kasi complete eh. Your coach are not gonna say anything kasi you're playing defense. Pero on offense, you're thinking, you're making the right reads. How can they not play you?
So another question I have, man, in regard to these players, because a lot of the young ones, Justin, you had to wait. Admit, you had to wait a bit for
Yeah,
Justin.
we had to wait for
Right?
Justin.
You had to wait. As cliche as this question sounds, worth the wait ba si Justin in that magnitude?
Oh, bro. I think worth the wait. 6'8" guy, versatile.
Mhm.
What more can you ask for? Can block. Just dunked on Bo Belga
Just
yesterday.
dunk down
Wild
boy.
nun.
Yesterday.
Naano pa siya
I
sa
was
mukha, di ba?
surprised.
Oo. Medyo
So,
wild
it's
yun.
okay.
Nagulat ako, napatayo ako sa seat ko. Oh my God. Kala ko susunod ni Bo Belga eh. Kala ko susunod ni
Hindi,
Bo
di ba?
Belga.
I was like, oh shit. I don't think he's gonna take that well, man.
Or this guy is gonna get his. Parang,
Yeah.
oh no, Justin, you're gonna get yours. Ako, Bo Belga eh. Medyo matatakot ka, bro.
Dunked
Pero
on anyone else.
Pero, no-brainer kasi, I mean, si Justin played for us twice already. Proven siya kay Gov Delta na winner, two-time MVP, two-time champion. I mean, and he's already in his prime age for the PBA, 26, 27.
Yeah, sakto.
Diba? Parang buo na yung katawan niya, mama na rin siya. Just needs to learn a few more things, but that's gonna come easy because he's kind of old already.
Yeah.
Polishing na lang kailangan niya.
True.
Worth the wait, man. Worth the wait.
100%. Yeah. Go.
Now, Jake, ngayon nakita mo yung Converge how they are performing right now sa playoffs. I mean, granted, game 1 pa lang, no? But more of, now that you saw, like, you have a sample size of a whole season. Ngayon parang, shit, parang kaya namin mag-champion ah. Yun ba yung nasa utak mo ngayon? Na parang kaya mag-champion ah. Or you're just gonna take it a day at a time, a game at a time.
Focus lang talaga kami coming into every season. We just wanna be better
Than the previous one.
Yeah, we just wanna be constantly better than what we were from the previous season. Kasi if mag-champion kami, good. That means it's working. Whatever we're doing is working. Pero it's gonna take baby steps to get there. I don't think kahit sabihin natin competitive yung team na, the path there is not easy.
Oh, yeah.
Some teams take a long time to get championships, di ba? Si Ginebra had to wait 9 years for their championship. Tagal nun, bro. Parang di mo siya makukuha talaga. Kasi magagaling yung kalaban eh. It's not, pagdating sa dulo, it's not all about parang how good the players are or how good the system is. Parang who just has bigger balls and bigger heart. Parang yun lang siya, bro. Pagdating ng finals, wala na namang place eh. Parang, where's the
Tagal eh.
Hindi, kumbaga, ano siya, parang larong ligan labas, piso-piso. Sino mas...
Who's better?
Yeah.
Who's just better?
Yeah, who's better? Yeah, who's better? Straight up.
Yun lang. No schemes, no anything, man. Parang, wala, mas magaling lang talaga yung team namin. Parang gano'n, mas magaling lang ako sa kanya.
Yeah, you're not wrong, man. Admittedly, you're not wrong at all. This is a
I rarely
question.
see it in PBA. I rarely see it na parang may nagtatakbo ng schemes. Meron magtatakbo ng schemes, plays, and all that. But most of the game, it's just who can put the ball in the hoop.
Well, yeah, exactly.
That's about it.
Yeah. And admittedly, Converge has them dudes who can put the ball in the hoop.
Yeah, hopefully.
Yeah.
I mean, the coaches are doing a good job talaga. Credits ako sa coaches. Masipag yung coaches namin, sobra.
Question, but then this is like a question I don't really know if I'm allowed to ask it. So again, if Nico,
Okay lang, we'll be safe.
Yeah, if you have
Jake
to
lang magsasabi. Siya lang magsasabi sa akin eh.
Yeah.
Gagaling
Okay,
niya.
this is a
Sabi ka
question.
na.
Parang wala naman akong ano.
This is
So
a
far good eh.
question
I gave him a heads
that
up eh. Parang,
ooh, okay. So let's talk Gilas. For me, because I'm a Gilas guy. Um, everybody has kind of asked for
Heading in Gilas,
where is Stockton or where is Jordan in the lineup? Why is Balti not in the lineup? Do you guys have anything at all to do with that, or is it
none.
just they just don't want?
Honestly, parang baka ayaw lang talaga nila. Kasi, I mean, my players are good. But the players there are also good. Kasi Bolic's not even in the lineup.
yun nga eh. Wala rin si Bolik eh.
So, ako, big fan ako ni Robert Bolick kasi napapanood ko siya sa Green Hills dati. Tapos parang ang galing niya
He's good.
talaga. Pero hindi ko
Kinakain niya
maintindihan.
lahat.
Ba't wala siya sa lineup? I don't understand that.
Mhm.
Kiefer is also one of those good guards na he's not there.
Yeah,
Rudy is one of them. Diba? Yung mga not being biased or anything, pero I think those guys are good because they're playing abroad.
yeah, of
Diba?
course. Yeah, yeah,
Arvin Tolentino is not in the lineup, and
yeah,
he drops 50 points in the PBA.
yeah.
On
So,
us.
it's just as of right now they just haven't asked you guys.
Wala pang reach out na
Yeah,
parang,
bro.
Wala
I
wala.
think
talaga.
I think if may mag-reach out, they'll go directly to the agents or ano na.
Ah,
I
Magpapaalam
see. I
yung
see.
mga yun, players kung na ano sila. Pero I don't think may na-offer sa amin kasi malalim rin naman yung pool nila eh.
Yeah,
They
but
have,
bro, that's heading Balti and Stockton, who, if you ask Nico, I
but,
always say, man, those guys.
who, but who are you gonna replace?
yun
Say,
yung next question. That's
yeah.
another
I
conversation,
have
diba?
names. I
Sino
mean,
tatanggalin mo?
you tatanggalin ko. Wait, let me pull up the lineup. For me,
Sino
Ako,
yung
I'm taking Stockton over CJ Perez.
same.
I'm
I'm gonna
taking
take
Stockton
Stockton over
over CJ.
CJ.
That's me, I'm taking Stockton over CJ.
hot,
I'm genuinely taking Balti. I'm
hot take?
taking
Over.
Balti over Jamie. That could just be
Okay.
me. I'm taking Balti over Jamie. And Jordan, I think, has to be in the lineup at some point because of how good of a shooter he is, right? So those are just some players who I think could be
Jay's
replaced.
in the lineup? Isn't he injured?
Jamie?
Nasa pool pa
He's
rin
in the pool.
siya
He's
at
in the
least.
pool.
He's in the pool, yung
Oo.
consideration. Yeah, nandun siya
Nasa
sa pool.
pool.
Yeah.
Sino
So
pool? Nasa pool.
like for me, those are some players who, not to say na they aren't good enough for Gilas, but maybe I would say that those converged players maybe fit a bit more. Gets ko ba kahit hindi si Justin Arana? I
Yeah,
understand that kasi
undersized big.
Undersized, yeah.
undersized big. But the other three are either properly sized guards or a properly sized wing in that aspect.
I think Alec and Jordan should be in the conversation of that trend.
Mhm.
Na they get their call up soon. Hopefully they get their call up soon. I think they're really, really good.
Yeah.
Pero baka familiarity rin eh with the triangle.
Yeah, of course.
That
Babalik tayo
that
sa
could be possible.
familiarity.
For
It's
sure.
a hard triangle to understand, man.
Yeah.
Siya lang yung nakita kong may triangle na sobrang daming variations.
Mhm.
Pero kakaiba yung triangle ni Coach Tim.
Iba eh, no?
So,
It's not a traditional eh.
familiarity, I think, at least he's Coach Tim gets the guys that gets it already. Na
Yeah.
hindi niya na kailangan mag-adjust na parang, oh, you have to teach this pa.
Mhm.
Baka mahirapan rin sila dun eh. We
But
don't know
I
that.
guess
We
I
don't know
get
that
I get
from their
I get
end.
that.
Diba?
Yeah. Yeah. That's understandable. I see where that comes from. But I mean, as long as it's clear as day na
Yeah.
Converge has no problem lending players
Yeah.
with dude.
I'd be happy. We'd be happy too. Kasi once lang yun na parang may player ka, ma-represent yung country.
Mhm.
You can never
Exactly.
say no to the country.
Yeah.
That's about it. I think that's a golden rule there. You can never say no
Mhm.
to your country.
Yeah.
Yung
I
mantra
have
nila ever
another
since. Eh.
I have another maybe off the book question or
Safe
so
pa
on.
naman so far. Okay.
So we hear a lot of the clamor regarding ina yung PBA naman, it's a two team or a two company league, man. What do you genuinely feel? Siguro as a team who's independent. So, what do you feel when you hear that? And as of right now, do you think yung thoughts na ganyan are gone?
I mean, di mo wala yun eh. Stigma ng tao. I mean,
Stigma nga.
people are entitled to that. People has a say. May say sila sa ganun eh. Pero honestly, I think kita naman now na the other teams are competing. Northport's there. And
Mhm.
people say they're throwing away their players.
Yeah.
Diba? Pero ba't sila number one?
Yeah.
Converge is there. Rain or Shine is there. So I think it's getting there. It's getting back. Hopefully. Baka nawala lang talaga yung competition eh, honestly.
Mhm.
The
I mean,
quality.
understandable naman. Because there was a time, right, where it was genuinely just
Yeah.
The top
so
4 lang. Parang,
yeah,
Just bad. But now, look at it now. It's more exciting to watch.
yeah,
1 to
100%.
8, 1 to 9, 'di ba? Even tanggal nga SMB eh.
Yeah.
Wala
Yeah.
ka sila sa quarters, 'di ba?
Oh,
So,
wala sila. Imagine that. You have Junmar and you don't make the playoffs. That's the thing. You have... Wala eh. You have Giannis and you don't make the playoffs.
Yeah, that's
yeah, so
basically
you have
how
a yan. Yeah.
You have Joker and you don't make the playoffs.
Yeah.
Well, speaking of teams, no, like Terra Firma is for sale, Jacob. And
Oh,
I want to ask you, like, does SGA have plans to take over? Kasi pag ganun, diba? Like, and then that means, kailan nyo bumitaw sa Converge if that happens? Has it
Yeah.
ever crossed your mind na, hey, kung may Zeus Thunderbells kami sa PVL, what if sa PBA?
we're allowed to ask questions like that. Damn, dude.
We are allowed to ask. It's more of kakatwa natin o hindi.
I don't think so. I don't think
Okay.
we would wanna be... Parang we don't wanna buy it. Bro, magastos ang PBA ah.
Tama.
Yung sinasabi ni Boss RSA na magastos yung team niya. Bro, naniniwala akong magastos yung PBA.
Ganun talaga.
And tsaka parang for me, gusto ko mag-focus sa kids eh.
Okay,
Ano focus
more
on
collegiate
yung
and okay,
Oh,
high school
yeah.
collegiate.
I see.
The development. Kasi they're the next ones. They're the future eh.
Yeah.
Ito naman PBA, it's entertainment. Itong the kids, you can change their lives eh.
Mhm.
Bro, sabihin natin, sa 15 kids mo, may gumaling dyan, 2, 3. Baka makapunta pa ng Korea, makapunta pa ng Japan. Imagine like si JD.
Exactly.
Bro,
Si
dati,
Mai.
lang naman kami nun sa Green Hills, tapos ngayon nasa Korea na siya. Diba? Parang,
Grabe.
you can change lives of other people and share it. Diba? Parang mas fulfilling siya for us, fulfilling siya for me, na I get to help these kids
Yeah.
go to the next level or bring their game up. It's better eh. It's better. I don't think PBA is for me. It's too stressful. Just stressful enough.
Yeah.
I don't want to add another stress. Okay na ako sa meron ako ngayon.
I'm so sorry. To clear it. NCAA, am I correct? You for CSB, right? Or
Yeah.
am I wrong? NCAA. UAAP, is there any school?
None.
Juniors pa lang. Alam ko yung juniors.
No plans.
No
May
plans.
No plans?
No,
No
zero.
plans?
Oh, okay.
No plans. UAAP seniors, no plans.
No plans. Okay.
It's too hard to compete with the big dogs. Bro,
I thought you'd want to go Ateneo or something, but that's an MVP.
no plans. Boss
I see.
MVP's got it all under control. We're gonna be good in Ateneo now.
Oh, really?
I hope so, bro. I hope so. We're last place last time.
Bro, J-House. J-House.
How's there?
I believe.
I believe in Kimani Ladi. Y'all are gonna find out about Kimani Ladi, bro. That's my guess.
Eh, lalabas na yung secret weapon namin si Kyle.
Oh my God. Which Kyle?
Which Kyle?
Oh.
I love Kyle Long.
I see.
Kita yung mga blocks niya last season. Mga tres, ha? Dito yung mga binablock niya. So, wow.
Better. He's so much better now.
I see. I got you. All right. I have no more questions, Ko. I don't know if you have.
Yeah. Well, for me, it's more of, ano ba long-term goal niyo with the UE Juniors? Mostly stay kayo dun for like the
UE?
next 3 to 5 years. Yeah, UE Juniors. Kasi ang lakas ng juniors yan eh. They got some
Bro, I
guys
think
from Perpetual.
May contract kami with them 3 years.
3 years.
This is our second year now, and then next year. So by then, I don't know, we'll see. Kasi we haven't talked about it with them pa eh. They haven't brought it up with us either. So we're just going with the flow right now. I mean, as long as the boys are there, they're improving, we get to help them. Okay na kami din. Tapos when that time comes na parang sabihin, oh, let's extend the contract sa juniors. Then, sige, we'll talk about it.
Okay.
Ito, I wanna, again, collegiate hoops naman. So, ang masakit to, inihuli ko na eh. Yung heartbreak of season 100 for CSB.
Heartbreak of 2024.
That was crazy. Oh. That was the heartbreak of 2024. What did you exactly feel nung na-sweep kayo by Mapua? Like, honestly, first as someone supporting CSB, knowing na kayo favorites, I think we can assume na entering that finals, CSB was favored, di ba, Mario? They
And
were.
yeah, if you ask me, yes.
Oo.
Yeah.
So, for you, honestly,
we,
Jake,
we lacked the experience. We were a good team. No
mm,
doubt on paper, we were a good team.
Mhm.
Pero yung Mapua, may ano yun eh. May pangil na eh.
may
Natalo
pali.
na sa finals eh.
Yeah, that's true though. That's
When you
true.
lose the finals a year before, it kind of stings a lot.
Yeah.
Parang mas stuck ka dun for a whole year eh. Na parang, oh shit, we lost. Parang nagtrabaho ko 1 year tapos matatalo lang. So,
Mhm.
I think they had better experience than us. And it showed in the game. It showed in the game. Kitang-kita bro na parang onting fumble lang nawawala na yung CSB. Onting lamang lang parang nag nagsho-shutdown sila bigla. Hindi sila yung parang okay, we're down 6. Let's stay together, do this point by point, point by point. Walang ganun eh. Parang frantic. They wanted to score right away. They wanted to make the bawi.
Yeah.
Kumbaga, score si Mapua, kailangan makascore rin kami. Parang ganun pa yung
Ganun.
mentality eh. Hindi yung
Mhm.
parang dapat relax ka lang, execute,
Mhm.
do what you have to do. Mapua had that all series long. So, I think yun talaga yung factor nun. Kulang lang sa experience siguro finals. But I'm sure na sumakit na yung mga puso nila after.
Oh yeah, 100%, dude. Plus, it probably doesn't help that lost talaga ni Clint Escamis, man.
Oh bro, ang galing ni Scott. Pero high school pa lang, ganun na kasi siya eh.
High school pa.
Whenever he wears that Mapua jersey, bro, he turns into Superman. I have no idea why. Ever since high school, ganun na siya. Para siyang, kinain kaya nito to ngayon?
May Mapua buff, no? Yung yellow jersey.
Parang ano kaya kinain nito ngayon?
Bro, baka mau siya, admittedly. My genuine thought process was, okay, malakas si Clint, pero men, di niya siguro kaya yung yung whole as CSB. Kaso,
Yung ine-enter ka parang, too loaded CSB,
Eh
man.
bro,
Ganun ako eh.
Mapua was a solid team. Yung Huenko
yeah,
magaling. The two bigs were also good.
Chris Ubilias is pretty good, man.
Rookie, yung
Shooter?
masiglat, ay hindi pala. Yung the lefty
Yeah,
guy.
yeah.
Yeah, the
The
rookie
lefty.
shooter, di ba? Yung rookie
Yeah.
shooter. Rookie ba yun? Yung shooter.
Parang tubol.
Yeah.
Parang tubol bro, ang laki niya para sa rookie. Para siyang J-House plus.
I know. I think I know the guy you're talking about. Kasi yun yung sa game 2. Tangina, biglang uminit eh.
Oo. Para siyang naging SJ nung game 2 rin. The fireman. He became like that, bro. Every time CSB would make a run, he would hit a 3. Parang, what the hell?
Malakas siya nga, to be fair. I was quite surprised as well.
That was a good team. Honestly, tapos ngayon, dami pa nilang recruits. Bro, malakas sila. Mapua was a good team.
So, going into the NCAA season, which I think,
Ganun ba?
NCAA
October?
season,
Tagal 101? Tagal pa ata 101 naman.
Mga September pa yun.
September.
what's the feeling around CSB right now? Knowing that, yun nga, you just said it, na after a whole year.
I think more hungry.
Mhm.
Nakatikim ka na ng experience mo sa finals. You know what it takes to win now.
Yeah.
It's hard if you're just gonna go there na parang blank, hindi mo alam expect mo. Ngayon, at least pag pumunta silang finals ulit, alam na nila na parang this is what it's gonna
Ay, parang naglag.
take for us to win. We have to do this job. And we have to go through it.
Mhm.
Okay.
Ayun.
Eto, Jake, tatanong ko kasi there was genuine concern na aalis na si Allen Liwa, Justin Sanchez, Tony Inot heading to 101. How did you guys pull that off to get them back? Or were they really leaning towards to leaving na? Or hindi naman ganun kalala as how the media portrayed it na aalis na talaga silang tatlo?
Yeah, I think baka na ano lang ng media. Pero honestly, when you ask them kasi masakit yung ayaw mo umalis nang wala ang championship eh.
Actually.
Medyo masama sa feeling yun, bro.
Mhm.
You're gonna leave a school without winning a championship. Parang doesn't feel right, doesn't set right. So I
Yeah.
think for them it was a decision na parang ano, do we leave or bawi tayo? Syempre, kung ano ka talaga, doon ka sa bawi eh.
Yeah.
Winner ka eh.
Sa bawa.
Yeah.
You wanna show them that you're not a fluke. Parang, malakas lang kayo pero hanggang finals lang naman.
Yeah.
You wanna show them that you can win all the way. So I guess it was them and siguro ano na rin, Coach Charles. Malapit siya sa mga boys niya eh. So I think he built a good relationship with them. So I think it was just right for them to stay.
Coach Charles always been a player's coach. No? There's always been consistent all throughout na
Yeah.
ba't kaya galit? Coach Charles.
Oh, as in, ano talaga siya. Coach Charles, marami lang siyang bashers eh. Siguro
Yeah.
baka nag-i-English siya lagi. Pero ano naman siya bro, mabait siyang coach. Tsaka he's really, really good. Honestly, parang he takes mga principles from a lot of coaches eh. Sabi mo, mentors niya sila Raiko, sila Coach Zoran. Magaling mentors niya bro. So hindi ko masasabi na bano siyang coach eh.
Mhm.
He's still young. He's
Yeah.
still young. He's just 30.
Preferably.
30
Yeah,
plus.
preferably.
So,
Mid-30s lang eh. No?
still
Bata
more
pa.
room to grow for him as a coach.
Mhm.
Magaling pa siya eh. He's really good. Tsaka, players like to play for him. Yun yung thing. Kung anong player mo maglaro para sa'yo, makikinig ka talaga sa coach eh.
Solid. And yeah, yun yung at least abangan natin for CSB no and everything.
Yeah.
And sali ba kayo? May Jones Cup this year, diba? I think we
Yeah.
want to end it with that one. What's next for you guys from now?
Jones
February Jones Cup.
World Cup, I think it's just right that we defend the crown.
Actually. May
Diba?
mga players ka na ba na gusto mo i-share na tina-target mo or you don't wanna bring it out yet?
Players? Honestly, hindi pa namin napag-usapan ni Charles. Kasi,
Malayo
parang,
pa.
ano pa kami, parang, wag
Sa
muna
Dubai.
tayo sa basketball. Pero
Pahinga
nakita
muna.
kami kahapon sa Converge.
Oh.
So, wala, parang di na muna namin. Pero, I think we have imports, meron na siguro. Nagparamdam na si Dwight eh.
Oh.
Ooh.
So Dwight,
Yeah.
okay, nagparamdam na he's more open now compared to yung how he
Wala
responded.
na siyang dancing with the
Parang siya
stars.
dancing with the stars.
I think he posted in his Instagram.
Ah, he
After
did?
He did.
I didn't see.
Parang, don't
okay.
worry, mga Filipino fans. Parang ganun.
I'm going back.
Yeah, so, good yun. I mean, baka siya, we'll see. I mean, we don't know who's free or who's not.
Sa locals yung mahirap, no?
But it's good that that schedule is around June, July. Kasi yun yung parang off-season ng mga players from Korea.
Yeah.
Collegiate din.
Collegiate, hindi mo na makukuha yun kasi prep na nila for...
Ay, oo nga pala. Yeah. Ramp up na pala.
Yeah. So, you're really gonna look for pros now or mga people going to the draft.
Mhm. I see.
Solid. And pretty much it lang yung mga tanong natin just about the very quick ones about SGA, just to catch up with Boss Jacob and everything, with Converge and
Yeah.
everything. Right in the middle of the playoffs. So, most likely when we see Jacob sa PBA, we're gonna say hi to him. And,
Pero pa, we have a game tomorrow.
Samba!
Are you guys watching? Pinoy, Ninoy.
No, I mean, Ninoy? Nalayo pag Ninoy, bro. Pero we
Ninoy
always
yung
watch
ano mo,
live. What you
alayo
can
ng Ninoy.
what you can expect, we always watch live. As in, pag playoffs lahat, religious kami ni Mario, we really watch.
Gusto may ticket.
Oh, wala
Basta may ticket.
Gusto may ticket
For
ka.
si Jay.
fans ng Converge.
Magpa-purple ano ka, purple shirt ka. Anyway, guys, again, Boss Jacob, thank you. For those on Spotify, follow, 5-star rating. On those on YouTube, like, comment, subscribe. For sure, we're gonna have Jacob again in the future. Hindi na tayo maghihintay ng a year and a half. Basta pag may good updates, why not? Let's bring it back, Jacob. Anything.
Alam mo,
For
when
more
Converge
of
wins the
siya yung
championship,
best ano no, behind the scenes na guy na ini-invite. Yung may-ari.
Yung may-ari ng team mismo, gagi.
yung ini-invite. Pasok ka na dito. But yeah,
Ano lang
everybody
tayo?
take us, ano?
Low-key lang, low-key.
Low-key lang. Low-key lang.
Low-key lang tayo.
See you guys next time. Peace.